Hi, I'm Johnny. You're watching A View to a Grill, and today it's my triple-decker breakfast quesadilla. So Corey over at Cooking with Corey asked me to do my version of a breakfast sandwich. Well, I live in Texas and it's Tex-Mex, so I'm doing a triple-decker quesadilla sandwich. This is how I do sandwiches, Corey. Now we're going to make this as Texas as possible. Use any kind of sausage that you want, but I'm going to use the Whataburger breakfast sausage. We're going to get that in a frying pan and just start frying it. The cheese we're going to use is Monterey Jack cheese. This is probably my favorite cheese because it melts so well. If you can, shred your own cheese. When you buy shredded cheese, they have to add something to the shredded cheese to keep it from sticking. We're gonna go ahead and get 2 eggs. I like a little cream in my eggs. So we're gonna get 2 eggs, beat them well, and just put, I don't know, about a tablespoon of heavy whipping cream in. Beat these eggs until they're nice and fluffy. Let's go ahead and prep our vegetables. We're going to need an onion, a tomato, and an avocado. Slice the onions as thin as you can get them. You'll need a sharp knife, of course. Do the same for the tomatoes and do the same for the avocados. We're going to need 3 tortillas. I'll go ahead and get the center tortilla started on the comal and butter the other 2 tortillas. Here's a nice little trick. I put a couple of pats of butter on one tortilla, get the other tortilla, put them together, and rub them around, and now you have 2 buttered tortillas. Now when you slice your tomatoes and avocados, you want to go ahead and season them well with salt and pepper. Let's go ahead and put this quesadilla together. We're going to start with a layer of cheese, and then we're going to put some of that sausage and egg mixture, and then we're going to put another layer of cheese on top of the egg mixture. So what this does is it acts as the binder. It's going to keep this quesadilla together. Once we have that, we'll go ahead and put that center tortilla down, and then add another layer of cheese on top of that. Then the onions, then the tomatoes, then the avocados. Now, when you flip the quesadilla, it's going to be hot on one side. So just be careful. Use a big spatula and turn it over as best you can. And then periodically we'll take a peek underneath the quesadilla just to make sure we're not burning the other side. You can see that cheese melting already. It's coming out of the sides of the quesadilla. It's going to be delicious. The flame setting is as low as you can go because you want to toast the tortilla. You don't want to burn the tortilla. Not only that, you want to give enough time for the heat to rise through the quesadilla to melt all the cheese. So quesadillas should not be cooked, well, in my opinion, they should not be cooked quickly. It's a slow cook on, I'm using a comal. You can use, if you have a griddle flat top, you can use that. Let's go ahead and take that off and put it onto the cutting board. Now, with a sharp knife, so that we don't crush the quesadilla and push everything out of the quesadilla, we're going to try to slice this with a really sharp knife. So get your sharpest knife and slice through the quesadilla. Cleaner cuts, all the ingredients stay put, and it just makes for a nicer quesadilla. Breakfast quesadilla. Let's give it a shot. That's good. But I got something in the fridge that I made yesterday that's going to make it even better. Just a second. You've seen this before. It's my fire roasted salsa. That's good. Breakfast quesadilla. Hey, what do you think? Quesadilla, is that a sandwich? I think it is. I'll see you next time on A View to a Grill.